Food, people. Let's talk about food to create a unique, delicious, and outstanding food. We need to know what is Korean barbecue. Korean barbecue is a popular method in Korean cuisine of grilling meat, typically beef, pork, or chicken. Such as dishes are often prepared on gas or charcoal grills, built into a dining table itself. Some Korean restaurants that do not have built-in grills provide customers with portable stoves for dinners to use at their tables. Alternatively, a chef uses a certainly displayed grill to prepare dishes that are made to order. The most representative from a gogi goose is a bulgogi, usually made from thinly sliced marinated beef, sirloin, or tenderloin. Another popular form of galbi made from marinated beef, short ribs. However, gogi or gogi gu also includes many other kinds of marinated and unmarinated meat dishes and can be divided into soup or into several categories. Korean barbecue is popular in its home country, but it's also gained popularity worldwide. Bulgogi is the most popular variety of Korean barbecue. Before cooking the meat, it's marinated with a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, ginger, scallions, sesame oil, garlic, and pepper. Pears are also traditionally used in marinade to help tenderize the meat, but kiwi and pineapple have also been used for recently. It is traditionally cooked using gridirons or perforated dome griddles to sit on the braziers, but pan cooking has become common as well. Galbi is made with beef short ribs marinated in a sauce that may contain mirin, soy sauce, water, garlic, brown sugar and sliced onions. It is believed to taste best when grilled with charcoal or soot in a short steak marinated with sesame oil, salt, and pepper. It is also similar to unmarinated gogi goo, and one thing that distinguishes it from other kinds of fish or its steak-like juicy texture. Those are the fundamental, basic process to create a good food. Mardigan people, thank you for listening and see you soon.